Uncle Mark here. Welcome to the channel. Just doing wiper blades on a Grand Caravan that can also work on the Volkswagen Routan. So how do you put these things on? How do they come off? I'm going to show you how to do that. Just remember too, on the 2008 to I believe 2019, the two front blades are different sizes and the back one's a different size as well. So three different sizes. Why would they do that? Let's get right to the video. So I'm going to go on the driver's side first. And if we just grab the arm up, it should come all the way up like this and just stay. Be careful. And if we flip the wiper blade, I'll show you from the other side. Flip it like that, you'll notice there's a little tab here that you can squeeze. You squeeze it towards the wiper arm. I'm trying to get my finger in there. My big mitts. You can see where my nail is there. I'll show you a little closer. And you just want to push it towards the arm. So see the tab there. So just push it towards the arm and hold it as you're pushing it. And as you're doing that, you'll want to pull the wiper blade down. So push the tab, pull the wiper blade towards the van, and it should just pop out. There you go. So let's see that in a little bit of a slow motion. There you go, huh? And then wiggle it around. And it should come out. There you go, that's half it. Now just be careful that arm doesn't hit the window, because if it does, it's going to crack it. So, easy enough. And you'll see it's just got this little swivel piece in there. And the tab always, if you point the tab up, when you are putting it back in, it should just snap back in. So the clip is going to face the wiper arm. So I'll show you how to put it back on as well. So we say the clip is facing the wiper arm. So you see it there. Otherwise, if you put it on the other way, the backwards way, if you don't see the clip at all, because the clip actually isn't really facing. It's actually facing away from the arm, but it's facing down towards the vehicle. How's that? Let's pull it in. Click. There you go. So you see the clip there. Now, please do me a favor and give me the thumbs up right now before you forget. That'll let YouTube know I'm trying to do a good job. Now you put the wiper blade down very slowly. If we go to the passenger side, there's something out. Next year we're going to learn how to assemble that clip to the blade. I'll show you how to do it on the passenger side. So it's the same kind of thing. I'll just show you in case you missed how this all comes off, or maybe you need another angle to show you. Let's get around here again. So you're going to want to tip the blade horizontally. There should be a little clip there we can push. This is hard to do with one hand. I'm holding the camera with one hand. So you push that clip towards the wiper arm. And as you do that, you're going to want to pull the wiper blade towards the vehicle. I can do it. Push the clip, pull the wiper blade down, and it unsnaps. Just hold the wiper arm. You don't want it to hit the window. It's spring-loaded, so be careful with that. And I'll show you how that piece goes on to the wiper. So that little piece in there. When you get the wiper, there's a whole bunch of different options depending on the vehicle. So that's what your wiper blade is going to look like. I'll show you inside again. That's what the clip looks like. There's a center part there that you're going to want to pay attention to for this vehicle. You'll want to clip that onto the shaft or pivot point. And it should just snap in. You'll hear it firmly snap. I'm reusing an old one here, so there we go. Let's make sure it's not going to fall off. Now again, we know how to do this, right? The clip faces down. You just want to hook that in through the wiper blade arm. Pull it far enough. Whoops. That'll be fun now with one hand. And just pull it up, clip. It clicks. Let's make sure it's hanging on good. And slowly put the wiper arm down. And good as new. Easy enough. That's going to do it for our video. So you see how easy it was to just, replace the blade yourself. Not something you have to bring to a shop or a dealer. Just make sure you get the right ones, because as I mentioned, there's 3 different sizes on this one van. Give me the thumbs up, please. If you like the video, you can also subscribe down in the corner. And right there, just above it, above the circle, we'll put a playlist to the Grand Caravan / Volkswagen Routan. They're basically the same van made by Chrysler. I'm going to get going. Hopefully the video was of help to you. Until next time, Uncle Mark saying bye-bye for now. Please subscribe, and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. This can also work on the Volkswagen Routan.